Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to turn basic shapes into custom merged designs? I'll show you how in Canva. Click Create at the top. Next, select Custom Size from the menu. Enter your desired dimensions here. We'll use 300 by 300 pixels. Once entered, confirm to start your new project. Next, click the Create New Design button to start your project with a blank canvas and customize it as needed. Next, select Elements from the sidebar. Then choose Shapes to access the available geometric shape options. Select the shapes to view the available options. Here, you'll see a variety of shape types that you can choose for your project. To combine items, simply drag and drop the first item into the designated area. Then, drag and drop the next item to add it alongside the first. Repeat this process to add as many items as needed, allowing you to efficiently merge multiple items together. Draw another circle on your canvas by selecting the Circle tool from the toolbar. Click and drag to create the shape at your desired size and location. If you want to adjust the circle, use the Selection tool to move or resize it as needed. You can also use the Shape Properties panel to fine-tune the dimensions or change the fill and stroke colors for a customized appearance on your project. Select all the elements you want to group by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Once everything is selected, press Ctrl and G on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut groups all the selected items into one single group, making it easier to move or edit them together. You'll see that now, when you click on any of the grouped items, the entire group moves as one unit. Grouping helps keep your design organized and simplifies editing multiple elements at once. That's how you create a new shape in Candle Complex. Select your desired tool, draw the shape, and use the color palette to change its appearance as needed. You can also experiment with more options. For example, select this sample here. We're going to change its color. Click on the sample to select it, then go to the color options. Change the color to white by selecting white from the palette. You'll see the sample update instantly with the new color applied. Try different settings for various effects. Change the square's color to white. Then press Ctrl J to group it again. This action will combine the elements, making them behave as one entity. With your two shapes ready in Canva, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Download. Choose PNG as your file type to ensure a high-quality image. Once you've made your selection, click the Download button. Your design will be saved to your computer as a PNG file. You've learned how to turn simple shapes into merged shapes in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design hacks.